I get like 6 a month, to be honest.
That's fine.
It's not much.
Yeah, so
I'm on
residential,
part-time.
commercial?
Residential.
All right, so here's the deal. Repeat rate is your lifeblood.
Sure.
Like as you reach self-employment, right, and then you're able to transition yourself out of your day job and actually do this full time.
Yeah.
Every single client that you get, unless you're staying in contact with them, you're pretty much going to lose them.
Yeah.
They're not going to remember who your name was or whatever, right? A study was done at a trade show for homeowners, and they asked them. This was a carpet cleaning question, but last carpet cleaner you used, if you had one in the last 12 months, less than 2% could answer. So that's a very real deal. So staying in front of your clients is important because what happens is you can chase your tail to get your leads all the time, but if you're not compounding that effect on your current clients, having them come back to you, then your business is going to get stuck. You're going to find hiring employees hard, you're going to find, you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, it's really hard. But if you can figure out a way to compound that, to make those clients come back to you on a regular basis, because you're staying in contact with them, either email or direct mail or whatever your communication method is, then what's going to happen is over time, especially 18 months, you're going to start to compound. So now you'll not only be picking up the new leads that you're getting, but you'll also be reworking the clients that you have. You see how that builds?
Yeah.